I'm Robot 1. I will be attaching the right wheel, the left wheel to the rear axle, and then once the rear axle is complete, I'll be attaching it to the rear of the drive shaft. So first, I will attach this wheel on the bottom of the axle, just like that. And then the other wheel, same thing but the other side, just like that. So it takes 2 blocks right there, 2 spots right there. And then when I'm done with that, I attach the drive shaft on top of the rear axle, dead center, just like that. So then it's flush at the end. And once I'm done, I'll pass it to the right for the next robot.
Alright everybody, I am Robot 2, and I will be assembling the wheels to the front axle, just like this. So we'll go with the left one, making sure it is flush with the middle of the rear axle, front axle. We will attach the other wheel now. Now what we will do is we'll go ahead and take the drive shaft and the completed project from Robot 1, and we will put it right in the middle of the front axle, just as shown. Make sure that these sloped parts are in the front of the vehicle facing forward. We will now take our windshield and we will go ahead and put the end of the blue blocks, as you can see, on top of the front axle, just like this, so that the windshield is facing forward. And we will now take this product and we will ship it off to the right.
I'm Robot 3, and I will be taking the body from Robots 1 and 2 and attaching it to the chassis. So, on the bottom, the chassis faces forward, so these slope parts are facing the same direction as the windshield, and it gets attached to all 4 corners of the wheels.
So after each couple, we're going to put like a
just like that, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the corners, and you want these white pieces to be facing the same direction as the windshield. And then I take the engine block and attach it to the engine, which then gets attached back to the Go-Kart, making sure that when you attach it, the engine is 1 block off of the rest of the Go-Kart. So there's 1 block of space there. And then I send that off to Robot 4.
I am Robot 4. I'll be taking the spoiler and putting it onto the spoiler support. Make sure that it's 1 off. So, attach it like this, making sure there's 1 space out. And then I'll be taking it and putting it onto a go-kart, like so. Taking into mind that there's 1 space between each part.